The Cuisinart Smart Stick 700-watt hand blender is an essential tool in the kitchen. And for this asparagus leek soup, we'll use two functions, the immersion blender and the chopper. It helps to get the right consistency, and as a professional chef, I wouldn't be without it. As the leek and garlic begin to saute, they'll develop some really great flavor. I'll trim the asparagus, keeping the tips to reserve for garnish later. I'm also going to peel and add a potato. The starch in the potato will thicken the soup and give it a really nice, voluptuous appearance. This soup smells incredible. Now, the long shaft of the Smart Stick allows me to get into the soup without getting my hands close to the heat. And that 700 watts of power purees it to a silky smooth texture. There's nothing worse than a grainy blended soup. I'm gonna garnish with some of this beautiful sauteed asparagus, a little bit of sour cream and some fresh chives. It is a perfect healthy soup.